Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 28th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Nifty, let's first get into our global market and see how the global markets are looking. So when you look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is now showing some degree of weakness at top, but nothing significant to worry about. It is still above 8 bar, 20 bar, and 50 bar moving average, and it looks like another super trend is continuing, which is going to get parallel to 8 bar. But we need to see how this is going to get formed. But as of now, this is definitely an uptrend, and that mainly could be because of the US government 10 bond yield, which is again correcting back to 1.48, which is definitely a good sign for all the emerging market. And when we look into dollar index is again hovering around 91 and 92. So this is also somewhere market is getting accustomed to this rate. So this is also not so good, not so bad. So somewhere all right. But the most important thing which we need to look into is the US dollar, and that is a crude oil price. And the crude oil after a long time is now correcting from 76. This is very critical. This crude oil is also very critical indicator for emerging market like India, because the price of the crude oil defines in India inflation. So if the crude oil will keep on going high, we are heavily dependent as economy on import of the crude oil, and increasing crude oil will increase the interest rate, and will increase the inflation, and thus RBI has to tighten the monetary policy to take care of the inflation. So if the crude oil is going down, then this is definitely a good sign for all the for emerging market, specifically like India. Now, before we get into Lalaji, let's also have a look today on Bank Nifty first. So when we see a Bank Nifty today Bank Nifty has significantly close above all the magical lines on my chart. I use a very simple trade setup. If you want to know what are these lines, blue, black, red, green, then check out my video called Trade Plan Explanation. But important thing to be noticed today is that Bank Nifty has come out of the blue and black magical line area, which was actually a very big resistance for Bank Nifty. So this is also a very good sign. Now, when we look into Nifty on weekly chart, we see that Lalaji on weekly chart has definitely an uptrend, and it's looking into a consolidation of 15910 and 15,500, and now the 8 bar moving average is catching up. So the market is now gonna get very soon support on 8 bar on weekly chart. So market from overstretched scenario is somewhere getting normalized. So this consolidation is very healthy for bull run ahead. But on moving average on weekly basis, definitely Lalaji is an uptrend. On daily chart, again what we see is Lalaji has closed today above 8, above 20, above 15, above 200. So this is also definitely an uptrend, and we see that Lalaji now has taken today resistance at 15910, which is upper side of the consolidation range, and it has started coming down, but still above 8 bar and about 20 bar. And now Lalaji will definitely have a very good support at 15754, which is a combination of 8 bar, 20 bar, weekly L3 and weekly pivot. So 15750 is now a very strong support for a market. And on top side, 5910 is still a very big resistance which market needs to break. But on daily basis, definitely market is in uptrend. On 15-minute chart is where we see some sort of weakness, where Lalaji has now today closed below 50, below 20, and below 8 bar. So definitely on 15-minute chart, it is showing in downward direction. Now let's try to confirm this view by looking into market profile. So when we look into tomorrow's market profile is just above today's market profile. So it is showing a slightly bullish market behavior. And as usual, everything will depend upon where the market will open. So as of now, when we see SGX is at 15894, which is above the pivot. And since the open is above pivot but within the range of yesterday, I still feel that tomorrow could be another consolidation market, and we may the breakout of 50910 is now only possible when Mota buy will come in action. So if you see the Reliance chart, Reliance from past 5 days is correcting specifically after the AGM, and now it has come very close to a very strong support of 2081. Now, tomorrow we need to see how the Reliance is acting, whether Reliance is taking a support at 2081 and started moving up, or it is breaking 2081 and coming to 2055 or 2005. So, tomorrow's move on Reliance will define in which direction Lalaji is going to go, because Bank Nifty is clean. So, let's hope that Motabai will support and we may see a breakout trade on top of that. So, tomorrow my official trade plan is considering that the open will be above pivot, which is at 15841, is buy on dip. For tomorrow, L3 is at 15781, so somewhere closer to just below, somewhere here 15781, just below previous day low, that is today's low 15781. And L4 is at 15747, so definitely 15754 will act as a very strong support. So any dip towards pivot, which is at 15840, and L3, which is at 15781, could be a good buying opportunity for a target of 15,967. And tomorrow one can also look, because the market will open somewhere closer to R1. We need to see on 15-minute breakout if we see a breakout above previous day high. If the market goes above previous day high, then the next target for market could be 16,000, 16075 in coming week or in this week itself. So that could be another trade one can take, but I would prefer to go as a defensive trader, buy on dip at pivot, which is at 15840, or at L3, which is at 15781. And definitely if it goes below that, the 15747 could become, will definitely act as a very strong support. So buy on dip tomorrow at pivot 15840. That's my trade plan. Now let's see. I hope please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. So for today, our trade plan was not to take a short position, but to look for a buy on dip. And as expected, market had a good gap up opening, and then market started took a resistance on monthly H3 and started correcting down. I did not go for this option of shorting this market, and then the first reversal was found at previous day closing. This is the extreme reversal setup 2, but the second green candle was almost like doji, so this failed. And then again another extreme reversal setup happened on exactly at the pivot, which was this area, and this is exactly where I took an entry for two lot of Nifty, and which I hold it for almost whole day. Then market just hover around the pivot for a whole day, and then after 2 o'clock I went on my exit strategy, and I put a stop loss below this green bar, and during this red bar I came out of the market. So these are the orders which I have taken. So first buy, uh, second buy, and then the exit at 150. So overall, I had around 1,400 rupees of loss, and Hero Motocorp is now catching up. So let's see how it works out for me. So what's the learning for today? Learning for today, I think I did almost everything as per my trade plan, and I stick to it. I execute it also very well without any tension. So it's all right. Means nothing big to learn today. Only thing is that I could have taken this short trade, but that's all right. That was not my trade plan, so uh, mm, that is fine. That's all right for me. So I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Please share, like, and subscribe. I'm almost touching 194 subscriber on my channel. Need six more to make it 200. So stay healthy, wear mask, and Jai Hind.